What's up guys, Steve here, Extreme Krav Maga Fitness. 10-year anniversary we're celebrating here today up in Gravelwood Bluffs. Also happy to announce additional location in Chesterfield down in the valley. We've also got Midtown location down in the city. Stop by, we've got another 10 years, great to come. Be sure to swing by today and check us out. If you can't come today, swing by, try out a class at any time. You can visit us online at xkm-stl.com. Hey guys, thanks for coming out today. Extreme Krav Maga's 10-year anniversary. We had an awesome event today. Lots of members coming out, lots of new prospects coming out. We've got tons of vendors here. Thank you everyone for your support, all the vendors, all of our members, all of our future members, past members. We really appreciate it. 10 years means a lot to me, and we hope to have a next awesome 10 years too.